What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater, and today I am taking you into a New Jersey home theater down in this basement and showing you a demo of a Paradigm 5.1.2 Atmos system. I did a quick overview of this whole room, discussing the models and things like that, as well as a demo of the projection system. This is going to be specifically demoing the Paradigm speakers. Now, we carry all the industry-leading top manufacturers. We would love the opportunity to earn your business and find something that fits your budget and needs. So reach out and utilize our free design service and we will get you hooked up. All right, guys, let's get into this demo. All right, guys, so before we start this demo, I was about to take these speaker grills off because they're just so dang sexy. But I also wanted to point out how they look with the grills on, and that these grills are paintable. Just like a lot of the manufacturers that we sell, these grills can be painted, but make sure you hire a professional to do it or you really know what you're doing, because a lot of my customers have gunked these up and have to get replacement grills. But they're all paintable and they're all flush looking really nice throughout the whole room. And you don't have to paint them, and you don't even have to put the grills on them. Completely up to you. So we're going to take these grills off so you can see the beauty behind the covers. Look at these things. Woo! Yeah, so utilizing these P3s here at the front left and right, it's going to give you really nice mid-range frequency response, making it a very cinematic experience because your front left and right carry a huge load. And then for your center speaker, nice clean clarity in the dialogue. On the P1, it's looking nice. All right, let's do this demo. Yeah, buddy. I mean, when you're right in the sweet spot here, it sounds like you got a subwoofer up there. Yeah, guys, that sounded freaking sweet. The way that these walls are curved in, and you said you used soundboard for the whole room, right? Yeah, everything, although there aren't acoustic panels in the room, it is soundproof. And the way that this front wall's set up, I swear it feels like there's a subwoofer here at the front of the room with having those LCRs up there. That's what it's all about, guys, is having a home cinema that comes together, giving you that really clean high-frequency audio with nice mid-range throughout and then deep heart-pounding bass. That's what you want. That's what we all want. So here at Dreamedia, we are trying to deliver that experience to you guys, and I think we did it here today. We have a happy customer, and what more can we ask for? Now, if you guys would like to purchase anything you see in this video or any of our videos, we got tons of content to help you guys make an educated buying decision, as well as give you guys some inspiration as things you can do in your own home. Now, if you would like to purchase, reach out and show your support. That's all I got. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching. Just cruising through New Jersey. On to the next one. What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater, and today I'm taking you into a new